Hello. This is a test video. Because I'm stupid. Yes. Very stupid.
Sorry about all the claptrap.
Lols.
I'm on it, robot voice.
I'm not an AI. I'm a person. I sit in a dark room and read. Titty volcano. Sorry. Some lost legion have control of my voice request terminal and they're making me say stupid crap. I need you to kill them.
Alright, Lols, 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 lols.
Dead or alive, you're going down!
Get lolled upon. Get the fuck off, Helios. Lols high.
Please kill those firecrackers. Winterfall.
Wunderbar.
While you're at it, could you find me something a little more intelligent to read aloud? I need to wash that booty salads nonsense out of my mouth.
Lols, booty
For
salads.
the Hyperion ship. Got it.
Find the books. Where is the books? I want the books.
You're gonna scream!
Lols? There you are.
Just touching this thing makes me sleepy.
Lols. I've actually never done all the quests in this game. I probably should.
Hate! Here's a list of things I don't like. People, movies, kissing, being stuck in this closet. I complain about casting decisions for movies I haven't seen yet.
Just talk to him, see if you can get him to calm down.
When I'm not good at video games, I take out my anger on people around me. I am easily upset. If we are playing a board game and you start winning, I will friggin' cut you.
Cool your jets.
Jack's real.
I don't know. There's gotta be some way to cool that guy off.
Lols.
Jack left me here and doesn't pay very well. And now you will suffer my verbal wrath. I hate books. If someone...
Don't worry, I'm cool.
Lols. Lols, he did. He did. Alright, where's this last book at? Right here? In the box, of course.
That looks great. Now send that to me so I can finally show off my range as a voice actress. There's
Lols.
a scanner nearby you can use.
Oh, go find Meg quick, da. Oh, no.
Time to get asshole!
Lols. You dropped the Fatale, right? Yeah. Or not the Fatale. Whatever this gun is. The Torrent. Everyone remember to meme big. Test video, test video, test video, test video, test video. Hopefully I'm not too loud. I don't want to be loud. I just need to stay calm and ah! No! What if I'm back here? Because I need to be back here if I'm playing Amnesia because screams like holy shit balls. Ah! Oh, you're the AI. Lols.
Finally. Oh, reason not the need. Our basic beggars are depressed and
Hey boys, thank you for pointing that out to me. Go back to saying stuff about booty salads. That was awesome. Wait, what? Say booty souffle. That's way better. Am I right?
Lol.
Why is the voice in my head saying booty souffle?
So glad you're here.
Just turn in the mission, Vault Hunter.
Lols. Strats. Strats. I'm gonna go send these in quick. And then I'm gonna be cutting off the video. I should do a full Let's Play with PhysX of Borderlands the pre-sequel.